You might not know how common it is for inmates, people that are still in prison, to write letters to their attorneys. It is a very common form of communication because lawyers are not always available when the inmates have access to the phones. Lawyers and inmates can only schedule meetings certain amounts of days apart for certain amounts of times in most jurisdictions and most prison systems. So they can't just come visit them every day for 10 hours a day, right? Nor could the lawyer because they have other cases. So inmates writing letters is a very, very common way that this stuff happens. I have inmates writing me letters and I'm not even their lawyer in some of the cases since starting to do YouTube and things like that. So inmates writing letters, they have a lot of time on their hands. They have access to the ability to write these letters and have these letters sent out. So this is actually very common. But what you probably do know is that it's very uncommon to write the court, because when an inmate writes a letter to their lawyer, it's confidential, it's privileged. When they add the court, it loses that privilege, it loses that confidentiality and becomes part of the public record.